Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2023 BMW M3 Competition Edition Jahre 50 years of BMW M. So 50 years of M Anniversary Edition BMW M3 Competition, an individual Limerock Grey Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2023 BMW M3 Competition with xDrive Edition Jahre 50 years of BMW M. So that's basically what Jahre means. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. My German is not the best, but Jahre 50 years of BMW M. Yeah, this car is in Limerock Grey Metallic. I know maybe on camera it kind of looks like Brooklyn Grey, but if you look at it in person, it definitely looks different than Brooklyn Grey, and it looks really good. I'm gonna walk all the way around the car to try and give you as many different angles as I can of this beautiful vehicle. And there are a lot of really cool details on this car that I want to share with you. So let's get into the details. Alright, so starting from the front, we have that beautifully sculpted hood with the arches there. We have the 50 years of BMW M anniversary badging on the vehicle, of course. And we have the individual shadow line laser lights as well, looking really good with those blue accents. It says BMW Laser just on the top there, if you can see it. And then when we zoom out a little bit, so we do have the M exterior carbon package that gives us these lower vents in carbon, which look really good. M3 Competition badging on black on the grille. We have the carbon fiber M Performance front lip on here as well, which looks awesome. I love that it comes with it already on. And then let's go around to this side, but a bit better lighting. So we have the 19-inch front, 20-inch rear 826M wheels in Orbit Gray. So normally these come in black or burnish, but these ones are Orbit Gray. We do have the 50 years center caps, and we have these massive red M compound brakes, which looks really, really awesome. And then let's continue looking at all the details. So we've got the M3 Competition air breather on the side there on the fender. Side skirt is the same as all the other M3s. We do have the M carbon exterior wing mirrors, which looks really awesome. We have the M carbon roof. I love those groove lines, and there's the new style antenna there that kind of looks like a doorstop. And this Limerock gray color does look different. Now, if we could put this right beside Brooklyn Gray, you'd definitely see the difference, but to the untrained eye, you may miss that this is Limerock Gray. And there we have the 20-inch wheel, so the 285 with Michelin PS4S on the back there, looking pretty good. Look at that. And then, look at this. We have carbon fiber rear wing there. That looks really awesome. I love the carbon fiber weave that BMW uses and produces. And then we've got the L-shaped taillights, M3 badging, xDrive badging, anniversary rondelle, and we've got carbon fiber diffuser. But look at that, we've got M Performance carbon fiber exhaust tips, and we've got 4 of them, so that really looks good. Don't worry, at the end of this video I will be doing a little bit of an exhaust test so you guys can see what that sounds like. But yeah, I love how that looks, my goodness. And then everything else on the exterior of the car I think is as to be expected. Let's take a look inside the rest of the vehicle. Alright, so from the back I'm just going to press and hold the tailgate button, and that's going to have the tailgate lift up. There's no kick feature on M3 N4 and G80 body style. Now inside of here, so there is a grocery bag hanger. We've got the release levers here to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We have a little storage compartment down here with a glow-in-the-dark handle in case you somehow get stuck in here. Carpeted floor mats, winter floor mats are in the floor. And over here, we have your front license plate bracket. I hope this guy doesn't want to put it on. We've got your... Sorry about the train. We have the tire inflator kit, and if I undo this Velcro here, if I lift that up, there's actually some hardware here for the front plate bracket. But if I lift this panel up, this is a designated spot for your tow hook and wheel lock key, so it is all down there. Let me just put this back. All right, and now button here to close, another one to close and lock. I'm just gonna press the one to close, and there it is. Look at this color. It is a metallic color, but man, this looks really awesome. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Now let's look at inside the rear passenger door. So I'm just gonna open the door handle here, and we do have the M carbon buckets in there, so I just love looking at what they look like from the rear. It looks so good. We do have the black merino interior here. We have the M seat belts, and we've got the M colors on the two outer headrests as well, which just adds that little bit of special touch. I love that. And no armrest in the center pass through here, lower anchors and tethers, and there is 5 passenger seat belts in this vehicle total. We also have Harman Kardon sound system, and we've also got some vents in the back of the center console, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, some climate controls, and there are some vents underneath the front seats as well. But more importantly, your rear passengers get to look at these carbon fiber seats, and they look awesome. Let's go take a look at the front. Now, if I approach from the front passenger door, I apologize for my shadow being in the way there. These windows are tinted at 35% in case anybody was wondering. So, Harman Kardon sound system. We've got some ambient light going on. I've got Azure on. It's a little bit hard to see with the light, but look at this. We have the 50 years of M door sills. That looks awesome. I wonder if I can buy that for the 2 Series. And if I can, I hope you guys can donate some money so I can afford it. Just joking. Now, we also have M carbon bucket seats. I love all the carbon fiber around here. We've got power seats with side bolster support, which is awesome. Carbon fiber crotch protector, looking awesome. And that's what the seat looks like. But look at this. The headrests also get the M colors here, which look really good. And of course, we've got the illuminated M3 badging on each seat as well. And then we have carbon fiber trim going all the way across the dash. We have BMW iDrive 8 with the curved display. And take a look at that. So M3 edition 50 Jahre BMW M, 1 out of 500 in North America. So across North America, there'll be 500 of these units produced. They can come in all the classic M3 colors. So there's Cinnabar Red, there is Techno Violet Purple, or Techno Violet Pearl, and there's also Interlagos Blue for E46, and then there is Fire Orange 3 for E90 or E92, and then for F80 is the Limerock Grey, and that's what this color is. So we do have a little badging there on there just to make it extra special. And if I lift that up, we do actually have a wireless charger in there, as well as the communication pad, USB, cup holders, 12-volt plug. And then we've got the M shifter with the M emblazoned on the top and the leather there. And all of the rest of these controls are more or less the same. Now, one thing is, I don't see that there's an M3 competition badge here, which is a little bit strange to me, but that's okay. And there is your digital key and USB Type-C in there. Now, there is actually an M Performance part that actually has something that looks like this for your armrest, so that might be something that somebody would look into if they had this car. And just because we're here, that's the glove box. Nothing too crazy there. Let's go take a look at the other side. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me open up that door. So the windows were just tinted, but we do have some galvanic controls here for window controls, side mirror controls, memory seats, unlock, lock, tailgate release button there, Harman Kardon sound system. Again, edition 50 Jahre BMW M. That looks really, really awesome. And again, there's a little bit more of that beautiful M carbon bucket with the M3 illuminated badging, with the M color stitching on the headrest and the M seatbelt. Look at that. So much M going on around here. And then we do have head-up display. We have the beautiful M specific iDrive 8. And then we have the M steering wheel with, look at this beautiful M stitching. Look at that. Beautiful. And then it's all carbon fiber. We've got the carbon fiber paddles, which I love, with the little red grips on the back. Kind of want to get those for my car. We'll see. And then we've got the M1, M2 config buttons, which is really cool. And this one does have the universal garage door opener placed on the bottom of the rear view mirror. And everything else in here I think is to be expected. Let's take a look under the hood next. So 2 pulls. And let's go see what is powering this beast. So when we lift this up, so right away, BMW individual Limerock Grey Metallic, so that's really awesome. And there it is, the S58 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo with 503 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. That looks really awesome. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. Don't put anything that has any type of additive, just use regular washer fluid, please. But overall, look at this animal. All right, so if you're still tuned in, you get to now hear the first I'm going to do a remote engine start, cold start, so let's do that. So that sounded pretty awesome, but now I'm going to just let it warm up a little bit and we're going to try again, because I want to just make sure that we can do what we can with this beautiful M Performance exhaust or exhaust tips to see if there's any difference, because I don't think I'm going to see another one of these anytime soon. Maybe one more, but we'll see. Alright, I think that actually sounds really awesome, especially when it's warmed up. I'm not sure if the tips themselves are actually making a difference in sound, but damn, that sounded great. Alright, so because this vehicle is so special, I'm going to walk all the way around one more time to give you guys all the angles. So again, this is Limerock Grey Metallic, not to be confused with Brooklyn Grey Metallic, which it kind of looks like, but it is definitely different. And if you've seen them, you'll know. But not everybody's got a chance to see all the cars the way I do, so I understand. You know what? Oh, man, I love this car. I wish I could have one. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this extremely limited 2023 BMW M3 Edition 50 Jahre BMW M. This is in Limerock Grey Metallic. It's an individual color, and there's only 41 of them in Canada, 500 in all of North America, so very rare. Love the car. If you love it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.